Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about whipping tile system. So first, the whipping tile system, the function of it is to take the water away that seeps into your ground and away from the foundation so that your foundation stays dry and it increases the life of foundation. So now there are multiple ways. So first is to seal your foundation with so if you see this is a delta wrap. It's a bubble wrap that separates the foundation from the clay that will be there after the backfill. So it's like a plastic protective layer between the clay and the foundation so the water doesn't go through. But there's another layer of a proofing behind the delta wrap that's actually a liquid tar spray all over the foundation. So I think you can see a tiny bit there on the top. So that's a spray, and then on the top there's a delta wrap all over. So now if you see about the whipping tile, so if you see there is a space at the bottom which is completely filled with aggregated gravel. This gravel actually protects the whipping tile after the clay is backfilled, so the pipe doesn't get crushed, and it's like a layer between the clay and the whipping tile so the whipping tile can function properly. So now the whipping tile is a perforated pipe similar to this one. If you see, there are tiny holes around. So it goes around the whole foundation except the front of the garage, but it goes around wherever it goes into your basement. And then in this one, this is the first pipes. If you see, this is a window well. So this will be a basement window and there will be a window well after it's backfilled. So this pipe stays in the window well and collects all the water that goes into window well. And then now it's a similar pipe going around, and this aggregated gravel protects it from getting crushed. So now I will walk you around. So if you see here, now all the foundation on the sides is covered with the gravel. Now at this point, so on the inside there is this sump pump pit. So what the function of the sump pump pit is to collect all the water from your foundation whipping tile and then throw it into the sewer. So now this one, so all foundation whipping tile is sloped to this point. So I'll show you a close up here. So that pipe goes under the footing into your basement, and then there is the sump pump system. So now I zoomed into the sump pump pit. So on the other side of that sump pump pit is the point where I showed you there's a whipping tile going under the footing. So that collects all the water and protects it from freezing because it's on the inner side of the house. This video was a quick information on the whipping tile system. Hope you learn how your foundation is protected with the whipping tile system, and how your foundation is protected with a liquid tar or asphalt coating, and then the bubble wrap. So if you learned something new today, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.